If your GE washer is not spinning, making loud noises, or vibrating excessively, the belt could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our tools. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, we're ready to dive in and tackle the issue. Remove the back access panel from the washer. Visually inspect the belt for any excess wear and identify if it's tight on the pulley. If there is damage or the belt is loose, it will need to be replaced. If the belt checks good, something else is causing your washer to not operate properly. Remove the belt. Rotating the pulley while removing the belt can make it easier. Here's the old belt and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the belt onto the motor pulley and rotate it into place on the drive pulley. Reinstall the back access panel and plug the power cord in. Great job replacing the belt on your GE front load washer. We'd love to hear how the repair process went for you, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you still need to order a new belt or any other parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. We're glad to be your partner in making sure your appliance runs smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on your next project.